Hello, what's up you guys? It's me Mandy from the omglegallyfab. So today I'll be doing kita kata swatches, try on first impression for this product. Okay, so this is Colourpop and Disney Villains punya collab. Let's do a backstory. I love doing backstories. So hari tu Colourpop mula-mula ada buat dengan princesses kan, Disney princesses. I wasn't interested, and then dapat tahu keluar diorang buat villains punya collection. I was like, yes. Setahu I dia ada 6 villains. One of the villains, which is my favorite, which is Hades from Hercules. This guy is like so sassy, so hot, like literally hot. Selain Hades, dia ada Snow Queen, Ursula, Maleficent tu, which I tak ingat apa nama dia, Dr. Facilier, and also Cruella. Obviously, I love Hades so much, so I purchase dia lah. This is actually $25. Dalam kit ni, collection set ni, dia ada 1 Lux lipstick, 1 Super Shock highlighter, and 1 ultra glossy lip. Out of all the products from Colourpop yang I pernah try is actually dia punya lip products, kecuali dia punya Lux lipstick. Ada yang okay, ada yang tak okay. Ada dia punya eyeshadows, single eyeshadows, and dia punya palettes. Kalau korang nak I macam like kita orang do a look with the Colourpop things yang I ada, which tak banyak pun. Kalau korang nak I buat a look like raya look ke apa, do tell me down below. Raya look ke, apa look ke, I akan cuba buat lah. And then the Super Shock highlighter pun I tak pernah try, so I'm very excited to try this. So this is the box, very neon, macam LED punya style. This is Mr. Hades right here. So belakang dia adalah macam ni, penuh dengan snakes punya patterns. Snakes ke? Maybe macam Medusa punya style. Dia ada layout lah apa benda yang ada kat dalam ni, which is Lux lipstick Creme. Dia punya shade nama Hades. Super Shock highlighter Pearlized. Dia punya shade name is Everybody's Got a Weakness. And ultra glossy lip metallic, which is Hot Headed. Perfect dengan nama dia, sebab dia kepala dia berapi, so hot headed. So this is the inside. First time unboxing ni. Ding.
Oh wow. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Full dengan snakes punya skin patterns. This is the Super Shock highlighter. Muka dia, Astaghfirullahalazim. This is the Lux lipstick, and this is the gloss. This set is I think macam yang I tengok tu macam nude peach macam tu lah. Ada satu lagi set yang I suka is Dr. Facilier. Dia macam ke arah nude juga, so I tak tahu lah, maybe kalau ada rezeki I belilah. This is the Super Shock highlighter, the front and the back. This is the inside. Oh wait, oh my god, holographic. Ding 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 ding. Oh, dia tak ada benda kat dalam. I ingat macam akan ada muka dia ke, or like you know some design chop kat situ. So ada cermin kat atas ni. Okay, next we have the Lux lipstick. Oh ya, yeah, betul lah, dia macam Medusa. As you can see, dia macam ada macam like snakes yang banyak kepala tu. And then, oh my god, my aesthetic. This is actually my aesthetic. Skulls, like, oh tak satu je skull, like there's like apa nama binatang tu lah, bukan falcon, crow. And then like there's this dagger dekat heart. And then okay, snakes, paws, and then flowers, shell. Yeah, so this is Hades. Oh my god, I tulis villains. Yeah, oh my god, I like the colour. The final item, which is the metallic gloss. Sama juga estetik dia. Dekat sini, ada dekat atas ni lah. So dia holographic, very cantik to be honest. Colour dia pun nampak macam cantik je kat dalam dia. Also dia punya ni adalah matte finish, unlike yang selalunya macam plastic cap ke apa. This is like very nice lah. So this is hot headed. So let us try. Right, so I'm gonna use this small, I don't see highlighter brush, but like whatever man. From like one angle nampak macam gold, at some angle nampak macam pink pak, macam pink, so macam like gold. So confused. Oh, very creamy. Okay, dia actually dia keluar as pink.
Dekat tangan dia macam gold, but like kat sini jadi macam pink.
Change of plan, I'm gonna use my fingers. Oh, you guys, I think I need to tell you guys, dia macam padi style, yang macam jelly tu, macam kita boleh tekan. I need my specs though. Actually glow dia very subtle lah. Subtle katanya. Not that blinding, but like blinding jugalah. So I try letak kat mata sikit. Next I will try the Creme lipstick, Lux lipstick. So this is the peach. Bila dia cakap creme lipstick, I thought like it's like super creamy, but it's actually hard bila nak apply. But like right now I rasa macam okay lah. Dia tak too thick, but like not too thin. It's pigmented. Nice. But maybe the colour lah kot, not my colour lah. Okay. So I'm gonna try this gloss on top. Bau dia sedap. Bau dia macam caramel. I'm gonna remove this first untuk tengok this one jadi colour apa. So now I'm gonna try this one like directly on my lips, nak tengok dia jadi colour apa. Wow, shiny. Applicator dia keras, to be honest, macam very rigid. And dia punya lip gloss dia thick. Like thick. Boleh pakai on its own lah sayang. Kalau a good topper, but at the same time cantik juga on its own. Not that sticky, walaupun dia tadi thick, but like okay lah. So this is the highlighter. This is the Hades Lux lipstick, and this is the lip gloss. So skin dia very peach and orange, which is nice. That is all for today. I'm so happy that I got to try this. Comel lah, comel. comel. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, click the bell for notification, bell button. If you guys kalau ada suggestions or like comments ke apa, if you guys ada comments or like suggestions to give us, please leave at the comment sections down below. See you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.